here with a review, and it is on the Aliza Naturals 3-in-1 face cleansing paper, and it comes with 50 sheets, and it comes in a compact, which is pretty cool. The compact, you open it up, and then there is a mirror. Why there's a mirror for face cleansing, I don't know, but once you open it up, you open up this little flap, and there are all the little cleansing papers. So my suggestion to you is to get one for just regular face cleaning. Like if you're just waking up in the morning, you want to have one. If you need to remove makeup, then I suggest grabbing two. And if you are going to be undecided on how many you need, do you need 1, 2, or 3? I would always put a little extra on the top. See, there's a little spot there to put it on the top, but I accidentally grabbed 3. So I'm gonna put my 1, 2 right there on the top when I'm ready for it. Now this was sent to me, and they sent me an email saying that this was a natural cleanser, and I was like, what, a paper? Sure, I'm intrigued. Send it on, send it my way. So it says it's a revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin, leaving it gorgeously soft and clean. It's free from artificial fragrances, colors, gluten, and ethanol alcohol. So it says, Aliza 3-in-1 face cleansing paper will transform the way you wash your face. Well, I have been trying this, and I have to tell you that I'm actually really pleasantly surprised by this. This is a paper cleanser. Is it really gonna get my face clean? Like, I'm used to using I have my Josie Moran. This is the Argan Cleansing Oil. I like to use my Purity Made Simple. And when they said that they were gonna send this to me, I was like, sure, I'll give it a try. I didn't really have high hopes for it. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. So what you do is you take it in your hand, and I have 2 papers here. Then you are going to wet your hand and just make it into a nice foam. So then I'm just gonna rinse my face, taking a clean towel and patting dry my face. Now, you can see I still have a little bit of eye makeup, but with all cleansers that I've used, I always have a little bit of eye makeup because I tend to use several layers of mascara. So I'm just gonna really quickly cleanse off the eye makeup. And then you would go on with your moisturizers or your night creams and your eye creams and all that for the night. But for the most part, my face feels very soft. It got the makeup off really easy. And to prove that, I'm gonna take a clean cotton ball. I'm gonna put on some of my micellar water. And you can see that there's not any remnants of makeup. So it did a really good job of cleansing my face. Now, of course, when I go around my eyes, I might get a little bit of eye. But that's it, guys. My face is all clean, and I'm just gonna throw on some moisturizer and some eye cream and call it a night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will link the Aliza, I don't know what it's really called, but I will link this down below. You can get this off of Amazon, and I recommend it. Try it out. Bye, guys.